fine. You've probably seen me around on the streets, open mic nights, Commodore, Tumbleweed Lounge, maybe a few other random places. But show you one of my favorite tricks here that I really love to do. It's called the kissing card. So, I'm going to do a demonstration, and then I'm going to break it down. So first, let's go find a victim. Let's go. Here we are. Just found a victim here. Okay, so check this out here.
Okay.
So see, all normal cards.
Yes.
Grab one.
Are you looking? Are you allowed to look?
I
want that one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I've seen this trick before.
Oh yes.
So sign it.
My name.
Yep.
Okay.
Sign it. Name. Whatever. Okay, good. She grabbed the Ace of Hearts. Signed. So.
And now he's folding it.
Bite down.
I'm gonna eat this.
We're just watching this magical moment occur.
Okay, so I grabbed the next card down. 7 diamonds.
Just started.
This will be my
Find
card.
a card and fold it and put it in home. You're not gonna use that card again.
So
Don't eat it.
So signed my name on the 7 diamonds.
She's gonna be losing their decks though. To the
He's putting that one in his mouth. So he goes, ah!
Hannah,
Puerto Rico.
We're eating
Yeah.
cards in the street.
Ooh. Good neck crack. Yeah, that seemed like a real line.
That was legit, dude.
The spirit's on fire.
I think I got it.
And
What is it? What is it?
that was in my mouth.
Cards in his
That was in my mouth. And look, I have his. Look. What? What?
Wait,
What?
indeed.
What?
That okay.
Wait. How?
How are you in her mouth?
Up next, the explanation. Okay, this is the explanation on how I do the trick. First, going to need 2 of the same card, and then on an off moment before performing, need to pre-sign the card. You take you take the 2 duplicate cards, the blank one and the pre-signed one, and you put them on top of the deck. It goes normal, then sign. Then you're ready to roll. We're gonna say this box is the other person's hand. So get them to choose a card. So we'll say the 2 diamonds. They sign it. And then and then as you're signing it, you thumb off the top card, which is the pre-signed, and just flip it over using your side, like I just did. But just keep a small break under that card. Make sure it's facing down, and then when they hand you their signed card, just slip it on under the deck. Then you successfully loaded it over the pre-signed. But of course, the spectator does not know this. So you flip over both cards as one. Then you're able to fold up the card. So best to aim the card down when folding. And which I've played this trick off multiple ways, but we'll just kind of roll with it here. So you hand off the folded off card to the spectator. Then next you do what's called a double left. You flip over the next two cards, which should be their signed card and the blank copy. And then you sign the card. Try to get it as close to the same signature as the pre-signed card. It doesn't have to be exact, because most of the time people won't actually catch it. I've only been busted on this once, which I've been doing this trick for about a year. So card signed, flipped over, then pull the top card off, which is actually their signed card, but in which the card you just signed is no longer relevant. So you fold the card up, so if this was someone I'm doing this for, one of the ways I've done it is like where it's hold the cards in your hands and then do a fist bump. So and then reveal that have their signed card. And then you point to the card they've got, in which they'll see that they've got your signed card. And that's how the trick is done. Very simple. Most of it's just acting. I've done that trick three ways: fist bump, or I'll get them to bite down on the card, in which when we're both biting down on the card, I'll get them to hold their hand up against mine. And just straight out acting, and then I'll spit out the card, and then reveal I've got their card. So that is how the kissing card is done. So thanks for checking this out, and I'm hoping to do more videos in the future. So keep an eye out, and thanks for all your support.